Whoa, hold on tight. Ever wondered what it's like to drive through a world made entirely of your favorite snacks? Well, buckle up, because we're about to do just that. We're cruising in a sweet chocolate Alphard with the coolest cat driver you've ever seen, speeding down a licorice highway. Look to your left. Those aren't just canyons. They're made of sharp cheddar cheese. And over there, majestic mountains of fluffy whipped cream touching the cotton candy clouds. We're dodging exploding soda geysers and zipping past giant jelly donuts. Oh, and get ready for this. We're about to drive through a massive watermelon tunnel with syrup waterfalls cascading all around us. This is the most delicious road trip ever. What food would you want to see in this world? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild adventures. Thanks for watching.